And we got an order from Simone from Italy. Serbian Lures via Milano. It seems to me for Taimen. We're going to eat Mongolia. Okay, so one nick. 15 centimeters. Good choice, my man, Simone. Then another nick. No, not this one. This one. BTLR. Great choice, my friend. And then one Mada. Even probably better choice. 3-piece. Okay. And the fourth one is on the second display. Ding, 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 ding. Here it one. Here it is, BRSF 17 centimeters. It doesn't want to go your way, Simone. 3 craftsmen. I presume for one fishing in Mongolia. Good choice, Simone. And it's still New Year's because of my mistake with the 25% discount. Tight lines.